Hi, this is George from Preston Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi. Here we have this really smart Audi A3 Sportback in Technik specification with the 30 TFSI 110 PS engine and slick 6-speed manual gearbox, and this A3 comes finished in a metallic Manhattan grey paint finish. This approved used Audi is a 70 plate which has done just over 15,926 miles with just one previous owner, and it's had 2 previous services and will be serviced again before sale. Some of the key exterior features of this A3 include the striking LED headlights, the gorgeous honeycomb style radiator grille, as well as the really smart 16-inch 5 double-arm design alloy wheels. Meanwhile, this A3 boasts a relatively large and spacious boot with 380 litres of capacity, plenty of space for your everyday needs such as your weekly shopping or perhaps even a pram for example. And here we have the rear interior of the car with the rear seats finished in stylish black cloth, and these seats are comfortable and supportive and feature ISOFIX child seat mounting points. And here we have the even more impressive front interior with the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel alongside the platinum grey silk effect paint finish inlays, and finally there's the stylish front seats. And one of the key interior features of this A3 is the Audi Virtual Cockpit display, where you can access useful displays such as the satellite navigation of an onboard computer right ahead of you, complemented by the 10.1-inch high-resolution touchscreen display, where you can access all the usual features you'd expect from a car of this calibre, including the satellite navigation, the DAB digital radio, external media connectivity as well as telephone connectivity, and there's the Audi smartphone interface, so you can connect to your phone via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and with just a press of a button, the optional rear view parking camera and park assist come up on demand. This interior also boasts easy to use air conditioning and optional heated front seats, whilst in the centre console there's a couple of USB ports, the slick 6-speed manual gear shifter, a couple of cup holders, and underneath the central armrest there's plenty of storage too, whilst the optional Bang & Olufsen sound system provides a refined listening experience. This approved used Audi comes with a minimum 1 year's warranty and minimum 1 year's roadside assistance, and for more information or to book a test drive, please inquire online or call us on 01772 911 340.